Hi, Angus Graham, Hodges Real Estate, and how good is this location? Just 200 steps from your front door. Find yourself here on Hampton Beach. The other direction, 50 metres, Hampton Street. Apartment 202 in the Azure building, 18 Railway Crescent in Hampton is so spectacular. Let's go and take a look. This luxurious penthouse features 3 bedrooms, this the master, incredibly generous with that oversized balcony flowing off it, ducted heating and cooling which is zoned room by room, but not only that, parking for 2 cars downstairs as well as storage. The kitchen features stone bench tops, Miele appliances as well as an integrated fridge, and this living area is really something special, facing north, capturing all of that beautiful sunlight, fireplace as well as these stunning bay views. Well, there you have it. Penthouse 202 here at 18 Railway Crescent really is the complete package. Location an absolute winner, and the apartment absolutely faultless and barely a year old. My name's Angus Graham from Hodges. I look forward to seeing you very, very soon.